Hey everybody, this is Kerry Bruce with my IT instructor. Real quick, today I want to just go over a Humble Bundle that's available. Currently, today is 5/20/2021. This bundle is good for the next 17 days. Humble Bundle is known for lots of software bundles. I like to concentrate on the ebook bundles, specifically if they relate to my courses or things that I'm interested in as far as technology is concerned. Um, and when I find those, I'm going to post them here. But there's a new bundle out there. It's been out for a couple days. Learn you more Python. I love it. Right. So no Starch Press. They do really good books. I'm not sure if you're familiar with how Humble Bundle works, but if you go out and you look in their bundles, they for $1 you get to unlock these 4 ebooks. They come in 3 different formats. Typically, they are DRM free. So as soon as you've done your transaction, you can download them and then you have access to them. You can put them on tablets and PDF formats. That usually what I like to use. A lot of these books will come with, I don't think these books do, but a lot of them will come with a lot of code in them. And a lot of times they have the code in zip format, so you can download the code in Python from there. But I think this is a really good bundle for my CIS students. I think for my CIS instructors that I teach at workshops and conferences around the nation. It's a good set of books to have to get in and just, if you want to play one day with something, and there's lots of good ideas. But this first set is really kind of geared towards the younger kids, so elementary and middle school, high school type level, maybe not quite so high school. Well, I guess Minecraft would stay in high school. That'd be good. Right? And for $1, right? If you come out for $1, you get all 4 of those books, right? So 25 cents a piece. For $10, you get to unlock those 4 books plus these 5, which and this one's got some computer games, some math, some cracking of code and things like that. So I think if you have cybersecurity students, they're going to be interested in this book here in the middle. If you have game development students, they'll be interested in this last one over here. That's the new 4th edition. It's a really good book. And then finally, for $18, they've got they add this last set of 6. I use this book exclusively in my Internet of Things course, Automate the Boring Stuff. I like the approach. It's the idea of it is like for people who aren't computer people, here's how to use Python to automate some things that are boring. But Python Crash Course is a really good book as well. Beyond the Basics is a really good book. I'm kind of excited about this last one, natural language processing with Python, because we are working. I have some students working on a robot that they're wanting to control with voice, right? So that would be kind of the way that we could do that. We could actually have them process language there. So how this works is you go out to Humble Bundle. I'm going to actually put a link in the notes down below. But you go out, you pick which level you want. For $18, you get everything. And then immediately you're able to download DRM-free versions of those. So if you are interested in learning Python or would like to have a set of books available that you can take on a tablet or a laptop with you to help learn Python, this would be a really good way to do that. All right. I will mention that the link is an associate link, which means that it doesn't cost you any more money when you make the purchase. However, I will get a little bit of a commission that helps me continue to put together videos and things like that going forward. Right? I hope that you find that this information helpful, and hope you have a great day.